Hi everyone, Carvin here, Afrikaner refugee, aka Amerikaner. Now, I need to address the last video that I put out because some people didn't listen to what I was saying. They took what they wanted from the video and made their own comments. And people are saying, what type of person am I to leave my dog back in South Africa? Let me explain something. I did not leave the dog. When the forms came to fill out, I looked for the section that said refugee dog. There was no section in the form for refugee dog. They had children, they had extended family, and nothing for dog. And I went to the interview and I explained, I did explain to the Americans that my dog is also a refugee and is also needing to be brought on the private plane to America. And they said that's not possible because refugees are people who need help. And I said to them, no, President Trump said Afrikaners, farmers, boers. And this is where I think the breakdown in communication was, because they don't realize that we, white Afrikaners, are boers. We are boers. And we must not discriminate, because they said that I cannot bring the dog because the dog is not a boer. And I corrected them and I said, the dog is a boer. He's a boerable. And it's not your place to decide now which boer is a right boer. No, we are all boers and we are all struggling under Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa has been bad to all boers. And so I want, at least somewhere in my application, for a boerable that belongs and is suffering in South Africa to also be allowed. Otherwise, we are doing very well here in America. I've just moved into my new place. And yeah, lekker. I are a farmer. Don't listen to what my family is saying back home. I've been farming. I even brought my own tools. Lekker mense.